Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelist Club. We're gonna take up the all new E-flite Habu 50mm, the itty bitty one. So we're gonna take her up. It's kind of windy today, but hey, if you wait on a perfect day, you may never fly. So let's see what we can do. Short air, we got right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder. My rates are 100% throws over 10% expo all the way around. I have the braking installed or running. I'm running an 1800 milliamp pushed all the way back. Seems to CG pretty good. Like I said, it's a little windy. But really no trim needed right out of the box. I had to, when I was putting it together, I had to put a little trim in the elevator.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Got a nice little, that's only about half throttle there. There, a little knife edge, a little bit of a knife edge, trying to pull out of it. A little bit of a knife edge for a second there. Not bad for a maiden. I mean, that's the first time I've ever flown this plane. And you're thinking, well, why do you have 100% throws on a jet? Well, because I believe in small corrections, or try to be as small correction as possible. Let's see if we can't land this little scampy guy. Going into the wind, so that's going to help. But like any other Habu, they float and they float and they float. It's just a great design. Perfect for a trainer as far as a trainer jet goes. Because they will just float and float and float. Gives you time to think. This small jet, I hope it's coming out on the camera okay. Yeah, this will be okay. Whoa! Got wind underneath that wing there at the last. But that happens. That happens. We still got a minute and a half. He's up on the elevator. Get her up there. Doesn't have unlimited vertical, but not bad. With this wind and this little bitty plane, that AS3X is having to really earn its paycheck today. That's for sure. Let's bring it by for a nice slow pass here. Good looking little jet. Boy, it is windy.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Yeah. I don't have safe on, just the AS3X. And she just sits down. Ever so pretty. All right, let's land her one more time. And of course, landing is mandatory. No matter how you look at it, you're going to land. That's a given. Taking off, that's optional. There we go. There we go. See, we still got, I can't see because of the sun. Oh, 40. Oh, but look where I'm at.
Braking.
Look at that. Oh, don't have enough power to get out of that. front nose gear is in the grass. You gotta remember, we're only talking a 3-cell plane. We're not talking a big 6-cell with power. We're talking about a light little plane. Still got 38 seconds. I'm running an 1800 roaring top. So
20 seconds.
there we go. There we go. Pretty as you please. Oh, got my checker in my pocket. Good. All right, what do you want to hear before you ever touch a model?
Motor on.
Motor off. That's right. Even though it's an EDF, still a good practice to get into. All right, let's take battery out if we can get it out. They use this Velcro on steroids on this particular model, and so naturally the hard to get out of the Velcro. Still got 45% left on the battery, so that's a good storage rate. And I didn't, like I said, I don't have a smart battery in there, so because I didn't buy any smart batteries for it, so therefore I couldn't give you the reading versus the telemetry on the transmitter. I can't talk today, but I did it the old-fashioned way. To be honest, that's how I prefer it. But isn't that a beautiful little plane? It's a good looking little jet. You can take the gear off of it. There's a place here for you to hand launch it. It's got a little skid underneath there. All this entire area is plastic here. You got the hard nose, not the rubbery nose like the other Habus. So you got the hard nose. Got the protection for your servos here. And I put your CG, if you see where the end of the wing comes in, where it goes straight across. And I got me 2 little glue marks. If you look at the end, to give you a landmark where the end of the battery hatch here, go put your finger straight down, and right there is the CG on both sides, and that lines up with the end of that little partition there in a wing. And this fuzzy stuff I put on here is for me to put those easy lights on later on. All right, folks, well, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then planes. Bye, y'all.